Welcome to Reading with Mrs. Laundry.
National Geographic presents Swim Fish, Explore the Coral Reef by Susan B. Newman. Vocabulary tree: ocean, coral reefs, animals, school of fish, seahorse, turtle, eel, whale shark. Activities: rush, move, flap, glide, eat, swim very slowly, swim very fast. Let's swim. Follow the fish to a coral reef. The water here is warm. Corals grow. They make big reefs. Schools of fish rush back and forth. Seahorses move up and down and sideways. Turtles flap their flippers like birds flap their wings. Eels glide from place to place. Nearby, whale sharks eat tiny fish. Some animals here swim very, very slowly. Some swim very, very fast. Swim, fish! These animals live underwater. The ocean is their home. Coral reef map. Coral reefs are found all over the world. See where these animals live. Your turn. Which animals live in a coral reef? Did you find them all?
Thanks for reading with Mrs. Laundry. Like and subscribe for more.